Take a ride in the 2015 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, power heated outside mirrors, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.